Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss some important numericals related to the topic errors in measurement of standard 11 science physics. The question is, a physical quantity P is related to four measurable quantities A, B, C and D as follows. P is equal to A square BQ C to the power 5 by 2 D to the power minus 2. The percentage error in measurement in A, B, C and D are 1%, 2%, 3% and 4% respectively. What is the percentage error in the quantity P? So in this question we have to calculate the total percentage error in quantity P, which depends on A, B, C and D as given in the relation. So here is the solution. According to the relative error, definition of relative error, we know that the relative error in the given quantity, that is physical quantity P, is given by delta P by P is equal to, here the power, as we know that the power of the physical quantity get multiplied in error, relative error. So power here in A it is 2, so 2 is multiplied and delta A by A is the relative error in A. Similarly 3 is power, so here 3 is multiplied and delta B by B. And all the errors is always added up. It is not subtracted or divided or multiplied. Error is always added up. Therefore, the relative error in A, B, C and D all will get added. And the power get multiplied according to the rules of errors in measurement. So here 2 is multiplied, relative error in A, again plus, again 3 multiplied, relative error in B, here 5 by 2 is power, so it will be multiplied and get added, and then this is the relative error in C. Similarly 2, here minus will not be taken as it is added up, so 2 is the power 2 into delta P, here relative error in D. So substituting, this is relative error and relative percentage error is here given. So percentage error in P will be multiplied by 100 on both hand sides. So both hand side, if it is multiplied by 100, so it will become this quantity, and in this there is a 100 multiplication in each factor. So this will now become percentage relative error. So this is percentage relative error in P is equal to 2, this is 2, and this quantity is given, percentage relative error in here, percentage error in measurement in A, B, C, D are given. So substitute the value of A here, B here, C here and D here. So it will be 2 into 1, here 1 is given in the question, 3 into 2, 5 by 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. So it will be multiplied 2 and 3 2 is 6 and it will be 7.5, it will be 8. So total percentage relative error will be 23.5%. So come to the next question. We have next question also. It is very important question. The two resistance R1 is equal to 6 plus minus 0.2 ohm and R2 is equal to 8 plus minus 0.6 ohm are connected in parallel. These are the resistances whose values are given with the errors, and it is connected in parallel. Then you have to find out the total resistance as well as the maximum percentage error in the resistance, measurement of resistance. So for the first part, total resistance will be calculated with the help of the equation 1 by R, as it is connected in parallel. So the equivalent resistance we know from standard 10, 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. After solving you will get total resistance R is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Substitute the value of this because this plus minus is the error. So first of all you have to substitute the value of perfect value. So 6 into 8 divided by 6 plus 8, it will comes out to be 3.4. Now since 1 by r is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2, therefore we will have to differentiate it. Differentiate करना है इसको. After differentiating we will get this quantity as the formula using y is equal to x to the power n, dy by dx is equal to nx n minus 1, and therefore dy is equal to nx n minus 1 into dx. Therefore here if you are going to differentiate 1 by r, it will be 1 by r means r to the power here r to the power minus 1. So y is equal to r to the power minus 1, then dy by dr will be equal to here minus 1 and minus 1 r minus 1 minus 1 means minus r to the power minus 2. So it will be minus 1 by r square. So here it is it will become minus 1 by r square, I into this dr will be multiplied here. So this dr will be multiplied here. Therefore I have written here 1 by r square dr, minus will be there. Similarly here you will get minus, here you will get minus. So minus this quantity is equal to minus this minus this. So all will be positive. So here 1 by r square dr delta r is equal to 1 by r1 square delta r1 plus 1 by r2 square delta r2. It will be like this. Now come to next step. You will get in next step dr delta r is equal to here delta r is equal to r square by r1. You can see here r square, this quantity is here r square. So delta r, we are calculating delta r, so r square will get here multiplied, and that will become r square by r1 square. That is why here it is r square by r1 square into delta r1 plus r square by r2 square into delta r2. So this is the equation, and we have the values of r 3.4, r1 6, r2 8, delta r1, that is error in r1 0.2, error in r2 0.6. Substituting all these value in this equation, we will get this quantity 3.4 by 6 whole square into 0.2, 3.4 by 8 whole square into 0.6, and after solving we will get 0.07 here and plus 0.1. You have to mind here that you are multiplying it, and after multiplication you will have to take the values of the physical quantity up to 2 digits here, because this will be 0.36, and similarly here the value will be up to 0.1 digit. That is why it is after multiplication it is taken to the maximum value, maximum after decimal, maximum digit after decimal. Here it is 2, so it is 0.07. Here after rounding off 6 2s are 12, but it will be 0.1 after rounding, because in both the quantity the decimal is after 1 digit. So delta r will become 0.17. If you are adding these two quantity after decimal, here there is a 2 digit, so answer will be taken in 2 digit. Therefore delta r, error in r is this one. Now total resistance will become now 3.4, that is the equivalent, plus error, plus minus error. This is the total resistance. Now come to percentage error, relative error in r, and it will be given by delta r by r into 100. So delta r is given here 0.17 and r is given 3.4, and into 100 it will comes out to be 5%. This will be the answer.